Happy Easter! I wanted to vlog a little bit of my day because I have a really cute tablescape. My family is coming over, so I wanted to show you guys what I cooked, the whole spread. I did film all of it on my phone, so those will be videos on Instagram, but I'm gonna put the full videos here. As I'm showing you what I'm talking about, I will insert the video here, so if you didn't see it on Instagram, you'll see it here. So first, let's get into the fit. So I'm wearing this really cute polka dot off the shoulder peplum top. I got this from ASOS. This is definitely a Gap kind of top. I love this top. I love the white and brown polka dots. And then I'm wearing this really pretty necklace. I actually got this at a market. I thrifted this for $20. This little angel cherub pendant. I put it on a necklace. I have been looking for a charm like this for so long, so I was so happy when I found it. And it's perfect because I can put it on like a bracelet, necklace. I could do anything. Pearl earrings, white lace bow in my hair with some curls. Do you see my cheeks glowing? I recently got in the new, well, not recently, yesterday, I got all the new Rare Beauty blushes. They sent them to me, and oh my god, are they not gorgeous? Look at my cheeks! Like, this is like my dream makeup product because I'm always layering like blushes and liquid highlighters. And now I don't have to anymore. And then I'm matching it with a little ring. For my bottoms, since I'm gonna be home, I'm just wearing some black linen pants, like really comfortable pants, because we're gonna be eating, hanging out at the house all day. So I just wanted to be comfortable. But if I was wearing this out, I'd probably wear jeans or something, or like some brown trousers. So let me show you the table. My family is coming, so let me show you the table before they come right now. Oh, there they go. There they go. Hello. Oh I'm recording. Hi.
Happy Easter.
Abuela, hi.
Look at you, lady.
Happy Easter. Tiki tiki tiki. Hi, Mom.
Happy Easter.
Oh, cute. I like the pants.
Oh, thank you.
Cute. Oh, we have brown. We're matching.
Yes.
So here's my table.
Look at this, so cute.
I made a pink lemonade. And then the whole vibe, I went for like a floral, pastel, pink table. So cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So these are stuffed peppers. I wanted these to look like little carrots. So I'll show you guys the recipe for that. This is my brother. Got into Ivy. Okay, got into an Ivy. Which one? Which one? Tell him.
I got into Dartmouth, and I got waitlisted from Yale, so I'm trying to get off the wait list. That's
you look like you're ready to go to Yale.
Yeah.
I see. Put it into the universe. It's gonna happen.
Oh, hopefully. Yeah.
But listen, an Ivy is an Ivy.
Yeah.
Dartmouth is beautiful. New Hampshire is beautiful.
No Hampshire?
No.
No Hampshire.
No Hampshire.
That's right, no Hampshire.
So here we have my little egg tower. No, I might just put music over this. What? Oh, the cake. Yes. Oh, how cute. Oh, they ruined it.
Who ruined it? Maybe we did. It wasn't ruined.
Yeah, I got a little smash, but it's okay. We can fix it up.
Where's the smash?
You see how it's like the cake slid over?
Oh, that's...
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, you made it worse. You made it worse.
I had him hold it in back.
Yeah, he let it slide around. But it's okay. We can fix it. This is so cute. Little egg. Oh my god, how cute. The little bunny.
That's fine.
The little bunny napkin. So cute. You like my table?
Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute.
See the tulips?
I love the pink. Oh my god, I love it.
Right?
So beautiful.
And look, I folded them to look like bunny ears.
Oh, that's cute. That is so creative.
So cute.
Oh
so look,
God.
look, they're little carrots.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god.
And you see we have our deviled eggs over here.
Oh. And these flowers. Oh, I love to.
You know I love to go all out.
So freaking cute.
The little bunny napkins are so cute. I love how it looks.
Right? I'm gonna put the rest here.
Yeah, that's cute. It's part of the decor.
Yeah.
With next to our little bunnies.
Yeah. Oh my god.
So cute. I love it. And I made a strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, I like the pink.
Gabe, did you see the little carrots? Isn't that cute? Tell them what you said. Tell them what you
I
said.
feel stupid. No, wait, hold on.
Go ahead.
All right, so I'm thinking, you know, Gabby's a really good interior designer. Right?
Oh, okay.
So
Thank you.
I'm thinking like a wartime kind of military, like in the trenches type dinner, right? Where you have your stale soup, your stale bread, your chicken thighs.
Gabby, I know you don't like these because this is very sugary, but I
Maybe-
think this
Oh,
freaking
cute.
Hold on.
Maybe.
Where do I put
some-
them? Right here?
Vito, pork. No, there's lemons up there.
So it's just for decor.
Actually, that's kind of cute.
Yeah.
She cut you off, Gabe.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What was I saying?
You were talking about the
Maybe what do
AK-47 cake.
bourbon and like combat boots, you know?
Actually, that's kind of industrial and cute. I have a
Right.
whole idea now in my head.
And then an AK-47
Oh,
cake.
and then the plates could be like silver, like gunmetal,
Yeah.
and then we could have like
dog tags.
like dog tags as like the names on the plates, and then you could do like chocolates in the shape of bullets.
Yeah.
I'm so serious right now. Like I could really do this. I love to plan.
And then all
Right?
all the
Different themes.
Like I don't care what theme it is. I'm obsessed.
all the napkins are camo. Everything is camo.
Oh, I
right?
love that. We
Right?
could do like a dark
Yeah.
brown, green camo, and then we could do like the shades could be like dark brown, black, and silver. I'm into it. And then we have the record player going. And murder.
I'm out here with the ideas. Don't play with me.
She came in with her tacky spin on it. Look. Look at the peeps. She put peeps everywhere. It's kind of cute though. It adds a little extra little extra spring.
This is your room.
Oh, that's
This is
cute.
you.
I like that.
I know.
That's actually perfect with my new. Did you see I got this at I went to
Cute.
the market and I got it.
The market?
The flea market, and I got this angel.
Oh wow, that is beautiful.
Right?
Flea market? Oh,
It's
but
a-
it's new stuff.
No. It's,
Look how beautiful this is. She even got the same cake I got. Look at that.
Mm.
So beautiful. Excuse me. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. She's so freaking creative. These are carrot-shaped peppers, stuffed peppers. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, look at the bunny ears. Oh, look at these. Oh, and these napkins, how cute. And look at this drink. Oh my god, I love it. Look at the bowl. And the eggs. Oh my god, so cute. Look at these bunnies. Oh. 10, 11 pieces.
we are cooking arroz con gandules because y'all have been asking for more videos with mom cooking. So I was like, you know what? Let's take the opportunity today to make arroz con gandules.
Goya should get me a whole like year's supply of Goya stuff. My gosh, I think I'm gonna go into their stocks.
Okay, so here is, we started with the oil, olives, ham, cilantro, peppers, onions. So now, what do we do now?
I'm throwing this in there.
Oh,
The beans.
okay.
Right. So maybe we do need a little bit.
Yeah, I
more.
would say a little bit higher because it needs it.
Okay.
So we can eat.
Yeah. Oh, I like this spoon.
You see Antonio put an avocado there for the look?
Yeah. This is ham flavor if you don't have ham, but since we have ham, I'm gonna taste it first so that you know it's not over too salty or so whatever. Because the ham is salty, which is why I didn't put a lot of adobo. So now we're gonna let that simmer. I like this spoon.
Me too.
So nice. I like how fat it is. Put this here, and then we need more water.
And then we need more water.
And then we wash this. Do they know that they should rinse the rice? I know it's bad. I don't measure.
I don't measure either. So you said this is what would you say?
I rinsed around 3 cups. You would say it's 3 cups?
Babe,
So,
how many cups of rice do you think this is?
about 2.
2.
Oh, there you go.
He's probably right.
Yeah.
Because
He is the chef.
yeah, you know why? Because it wasn't a full one of these. It was like
Oh, okay.
half. So he
Yeah,
was-
yeah.
So we should make 3 cups, right? For
Yeah,
us. Okay.
I'll eat a cup.
Period. I know that's right.
Let's see.
So she did. Tastes good?
Hang on. I don't know if it needs anything. You taste it, Antonio.
How would I know?
Taste it.
What? You know, hold on. Let me get the spoon.
Oh, I thought you were using the same one. I was like, okay.
Don't use the spoon.
Excuse me.
It has to be a little saltier.
A little bit more. A
Yeah.
little more salt.
Okay. So, do you have pepper? Black pepper?
Yeah.
Not too much.
I love how this is like surgery. We're on here watching
Where's
and like learning. So you're adding more sazon and black pepper.
You did
What?
Visually, she did it. Most of the time when you cook rice, if you put your finger on top of the rice with the liquid and then come up to about like your first, I don't know what that's
But
you do
called.
this,
don't
say?
you
Section.
burn
Oh,
your
look.
finger?
It's perfect. Like, it's perfectly right there.
Yeah.
She did that visually, but a lot of times, like if you don't know how to cook rice, if you put
Yeah,
that
I don't
much
know how to
water,
cook rice.
that helps you.
And it's so disappointing. I'm like a no sabo kid when it comes to rice.
Well, that's because you're not doing it often enough.
Mira,
That's
puedo
all.
hablar un poquito de español, you know?
Sí.
Pero no puedo cocinar arroz. Don't
Este es
judge
el
me.
problema de la vida.
Don't judge me. I usually only use rice if it's like left over from something else.
And the other thing I don't do is I don't use the same spoon and put it in my mouth and then put it in here.
I didn't say you did. Damn.
But
I think that's it.
but
But
Let
you
me t-
can because it's still cooking.
yeah, you can. It's especially if it's for family, please.
is it better?
God damn, that's good.
Okay.
There you go.
So that's it. Now
Damn.
we're gonna wait.
Oh my God, that tastes really Puerto Rican. Oh,
Oh,
that should taste like I just came back from Puerto Rico. God damn.
Now we're gonna wait till it dries a little bit. We turn it, and then you cover it.
What did you say?
So now we.
What do you think? Right?
I love mustard.
Oh, okay. I was worried that it was too mustardy. I didn't want to overdo it, but I was like, that makes it different. I'm so glad you like it. What you think, Grandma?
Hold it, porque se te va a caer otra vez. Hold it in your hand, mommy.
She wants to eat it.
Yeah, eat it. Too much. Oh no,
Oh shit. You like it?
So what?
What do you think?
The leaves?
What do you think, Gabe?
Leaves.
It's dill.
Oh my gosh, so good.
It's an herb.
Mommy,
Good?
you want more? No.
Yeah. Okay, now we're having our painting session.
Oh,
What do you think of my painting, Grandma?
I love it.
What do you think of this one?
It's pretty.
I made it. I did that.
You did?
Yeah.
And this one too.
Uh-huh.
You can do it too, mommy.
I when I paint it, it reminds me of Grandpa.
Oh,
Yeah. I like to paint because it reminds me of him.
okay.
Yeah.
That's
He used to color more than I could.
Yeah, but
It's the
anything
same
like
thing.
artsy, like drawing, stuff like that, it
Yeah.
reminds me of him.
Yep.
Makes me
Okay,
feel
Gabby.
close.
that's hilarious.
Yo, you're stupid. I'm glad you make yourself laugh.
That was hilarious.
I'm glad, happy for you.
That was funny.
That one's funny.
I know. And you brought it with me.
Oh, look how cute and little.
Oh, you see, they're
Oh,
really
it's
little.
so cute.
I can
Here,
put
open
1
these.
tree on that. Damn.
No, I mean, I have big ones too. You can use a big one if you need it. Say bye. We had a great Easter.
What a nice Easter. The table was beautiful. Everything
We
was so
painted and we
delicious.
had fun. Gabe, show your painting. Show 'em what is it? What is it?
So there's a game, a 2010 video game called Spider-Man Shattered Dimensions. It was on Wii and Xbox 360. It was one of my favorite games.
Back in his time.
And there were 4 Spider-Men in the game from different dimensions. Each of these
It
is a
looks
logo.
really cool, like the pop art effect. It looks really
That's
cool.
from
Yeah.
back in the days.
Each of these is a logo from one of the Spider-Men.
So we got original Peter, Miguel O'Hara,
Point to it.
Anti-Venom,
Well, Black Suit Peter in the
Black
game.
Suit Peter, and
Spider-Man Noir.
Noir. It looks so cool.
Yeah.
And mine is a headless swan. I'm still working on it. You want to show yours, Ma?
No, it's in the bag already.
Okay, well. Bye. Bye. Thanks for coming. Bye.
Okay, we're leaving.
She's kicking us out.